read the title, I'm gonna do an Eid makeup tutorial and I'm really excited. I really hope you guys like this look. I mean, it's such a classic look. Soft smoky eye and nude lip. I love this combination. So I really hope you guys like this makeup look as much as I do. And I'm so excited. So without wasting any more time, let's just get right into the video. Hey, wait a moment. Have you subscribed to my channel as yet? If you have, then thank you so much guys, it really means the world to me. And if you haven't already done that, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon next to it so that you will be notified whenever I upload a video. With that, let's get right into the video. So I'm gonna start with my primer, and for my primer I'm using this Nivea Aftershave Balm. I'm simply gonna be applying it on my face. I have already finished prepping my skin, so in case you haven't done that, please prep your skin. In your skincare routine, you can apply a primer. Next, I'm gonna be using an orange color corrector from Elegirl Cosmetics, and I'm gonna be correcting any blue undertone, basically any dark circles or any sort of pigmentation under my eyes or near my mouth area. Next, I'm gonna be using my foundation, and for my foundation I'm gonna be using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation and my Sephora foundation. I'm gonna mix the two with the help of a brush and apply it on my face. If you wish to, you can apply it directly with the help of your beauty sponge or your hands. Oh, by the way, here's a really cool hack. You can also try adding a few drops of facial oil and get a dewy base instead of a matte one. Now I'm gonna be using my beauty blender and blending everything in. If you want, you can use your brushes as well guys. You can use a fluffy blending brush or a flat foundation brush. Any brush would do. But I honestly love the coverage a beauty blender gives me, so I'm gonna be using a beauty blender here. I'm just gonna be adding a little more near my eyes, and I'm gonna be blending it again with the help of a beauty sponge. For my concealer, I'm gonna be using this Maybelline Age Rewind concealer, and I'm gonna be applying it under my eyes and on all of my high points. That is my nose, my forehead, my upper lip and my chin. Now I'm gonna be taking the same beauty sponge that I used earlier for my foundation, and I'm gonna be blending it really well. I'm gonna go in again with a little bit of concealer under my eyes, and I'm also gonna be priming my eyelids for the eyeshadows. Now it's extremely important to set everything in place, and for that I'm gonna be using a setting powder, and I'm gonna be setting my whole face using this powder. I would generally use a translucent powder or a baking powder, but I ran out of it, so I'm just gonna use whatever I have. Before the next step, I'm just gonna be prepping my lips. After which, I'm gonna be taking my spoolie brush and I'm gonna run it through my brows and comb them really well and shape them according to my preference. Up next, for my brows, I'm gonna be taking this light brown shade from this palette and buffing it on my crease and a little above my crease. Next, I'm gonna be taking this chocolate brown shade from the same palette and I'm gonna be patting it on my eyelid. So basically I want maximum intensity, and then I'm gonna be taking my brush and blending the harsh edges. I'm building up the product very slowly and I'm not taking too much on my brush at a time. As I mentioned, I'm gonna be blending the harsh edges using a fluffy brush. Now I'm using the Kajal by Lakme and I'm gonna be applying a very rough liner, and then I'm gonna be blending it out with the help of a pencil brush. I'm gonna repeat it until I'm happy with the way it looks. Next, I'm gonna be taking this Kajal pencil and I'm gonna apply it on my waterline. Once I'm done, I'm gonna be taking my pencil brush and I'm gonna be taking a brown shadow, the same thing I used earlier, and I'm gonna smoke out my lower lash line. Next, I'm gonna be contouring my face using my Wet n Wild contour palette in the shade Caramel Toffee. Up next, I'm gonna be using a blush on, and for my blush on, I'm using a combination of pink and peach, and I'm gonna be applying it on the apples of my cheeks. Now comes my favorite part, which is highlighter, and I'm gonna be taking my Savannah Colors highlighter brick and I'm gonna be highlighting my face, that is my cheeks and my high points, all of my high points basically. And then I'm gonna be contouring my nose. I didn't want to contour my nose, but then I just couldn't resist it, so I'm just gonna be contouring my nose. Now I'm gonna be taking my spoolie brush again and brushing my brows, and then I'm gonna be taking an angular brush like this and I'm gonna be filling my eyebrows. I'm gonna be using the same brown that I used earlier on my eyelids. Once I'm done, I'm gonna be taking a silver shade and I'm gonna be highlighting my inner corners and my brow bone. Now I'm gonna apply some mascara on my lashes and I'm using Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express Mascara. I have tried to keep this video as short as possible, guys. Please let me know if you liked it down in the comment section below. Also guys, please don't forget to apply mascara on your bottom lashes. This completes the look. It gives a very nice finish, so please don't forget to do that. For my lipstick, I'm gonna be using Raw Cocoa from Maybelline's Powder Matte collection. You can apply any nude lipstick you want. Next, I'm just gonna be blending everything in with the help of my beauty blender one last time, just to ensure everything blends in nicely with my skin and it looks like one layer and doesn't look too harsh. For my hair, I'm just gonna be doing the good old curls, and for that I'm just gonna brush my hair really well and I'm gonna curl my hair. I'm just gonna take a random section of hair and curl it. I'm gonna repeat this until I'm satisfied. Don't curl a single strand of hair for more than 30 seconds to 1 minute depending on the temperature, because you might damage your hair and you might also burn it. I'm done with curling my hair and this is how my hair look finally. I'm just gonna loosen up the curls and apply some gel on it. To finish off the look, I'm gonna wear these silver earrings, and yeah, with that I complete the look. I have tried to keep this video as chic and as festive as possible, so please let me know down in the comment section below if you like this video and you enjoyed watching it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and I hope you found it helpful, and if you did, you know what to do. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you will be notified whenever I upload a video. Also, today is Sunday and there are 5 more days for Eid, so in case I get some more time, I'll try to make another video if I finish editing this video soon. Please stay tuned for that, guys, and take care of yourself and your family. I'll see you all super soon with another video. Until then, bye.